So guys, ito yung SMM meeting namin last July 25, Friday. Sa warehouse, ang store delivery schedule ay July 25. So kahapon, ang warehouse request inventory natin, item description, TIT Premium Cotton Teal, TIT Premium Cotton Canary Yellow, yung mga sizes nila, extra small, small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, and 3XL. TIT Premium Cotton Brown, extra small to 3XL. TIT Dry Fit Pastel Orange, extra small to 2XL. Nagpatigaak. Sa TIT, ayun. Items for allocation, TIT Kiana Spandex. Slow moving item, pillow case, plain inflatable pillow, canvas pouch and crystal. Okay. Awan. Website not applicable. ROM towel comparison, cotton versus microfiber. Royal Canon cotton towel. Sa audit naman is for OLM, may new item, spandex at jacket. Ads and promos, wala. Sa treasury, yung compliant natin ay due to for customer service issue and hindi matawagan ang contact number. Sa MIS, wala. Visual categorization, wala. HR, wala. Audit, NA, garments and consumable posting every Thursday, assigned person, Darian and Marinette. Yun lang guys.